I'd like to show you a few more tips and tricks that you can do in any section with a list view. So I'll show this one in the Tools section. Depending on if you're using the integrated or standalone, there are buttons for certain things like adding manually and grouping, but you can also right-click on an item to get the same options. Here, New, Delete, and Duplicate are the same as Add, Delete, and Duplicate. So if I want to make a new item, want to delete an item, or duplicate it, I can quickly do that by right-clicking. On the grouping side, it's the same thing. I can add this item or whatever's selected to a new group or a previously existing group. Nice and quick, just by right-clicking. And that will apply to all of the selected items, and there are a few ways that you can do that as well. Whatever row that you left-click will be highlighted and selected. And if you hold Control, that will add the selections. So each row that you click after that will be added, and if you click it again, it will be deselected. You can also click on one item and hold Shift and click on another, and it'll select everything in between. If you have a big list like this, you can also left click in the corner here, and that will select everything. And then you can go ahead and apply whatever you need to them. I hope this helps.